Action.
I'm Cell.
And I'm Cycle.
Together we do Cell Division! Yay! Cell division is done in the mitotic phase, which includes mitosis and cytokinesis.
Cytokinesis is the division of the cell's cytoplasm.
Woohoo! Mitosis is the division of the nucleus in a cell, producing the two identical nuclei for cytokinesis.
But before all that happens, there's interphase.
Interphase, yeah! Woohoo! Interphase is the longest part of the cell cycle.
In interphase, there are three parts: G-UNO, S, and G-DOS.
During G1, not everyone knows Spanish, although I hope you do. During G1, the cell undergoes rapid growth and replication of its organelles.
The S phase has to do with DNA replication and preparation for mitosis.
During G2, the cell prepares for mitosis further. We are
Daughter cells.
woohoo, daughters!
Daughter cells are two identical cells that are produced from the original parent cell. There's no order in this.
We may be daughter cells.
But we're also
Stem cells! Woo! Stem cells are unspecialized cells that can become
and replace dead, dying, or damaged cells.
oh no, what's happening? Oh, he's dying! We better get a stem cell to replace that guy.
Done.
Okay. Most cells make up tissues, which are groups of cells that work together to perform a specific task. Tissues make up organs, organs make up organ systems, and all the organ systems make up the organism! Woohoo! Yeah!
Organism. But the results of all this are
Reproduction, growth, replacement, and
repair.
well, that pretty much wraps up this news story.
Back to Chip with the weather.
The end! Yay! Yeah! Woohoo! Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun!